What's the meaning of catastrophically? Catastrophically. Catastrophically.
Catastrophically. Catastrophically. Catastrophically refers to a situation that is marked by a sudden, extensive, and disastrous change or failure. When things go catastrophically wrong, there can be significant damage or loss of life. Catastrophes can happen in different contexts, such as natural disasters, accidents, or failures in systems or processes. The effects of a catastrophic event can be far-reaching and long-lasting. In such a scenario, the damage can be extensive, and it may take considerable effort and resources to recover from its consequences.